in this video, we're setting up Lightning nodes. And I'm very excited about this one because I've just created a new Claude skill called runletd, which is designed to do exactly this. So I've given Claude some very simple instructions here. I said, hey, Claude, please check out your new skill called runletd and use that to help me set up a Lightning node on this Ubuntu server. So let's try that. Okay, so Claude here is asking us to run a couple of commands to give it some more permissions, right? What we are doing here is server configuration. We are making changes deep in the guts of the machine. We're doing things like installing binaries and setting up systemd services. And so we need a good amount of permissions to do that. And Claude also needs to know now what network I want to run on, right? So it gives me a choice between Signet and mainnet. Right now, I just want to do some testing, and Signet is the test network, so we're going to roll with that. Now Claude is asking me what type of node do I want to set up? And it's giving me all these different names, and I might not understand what these are, but then it gives me a description. Now it wants a little bit more information for me. It says, hey, there's a UI that we need a password to, and you need a node alias. All right, so this is great. Claude's already got this most of the way set up. It's created a wallet and it's generated a seed phrase for that wallet. This is very important and sensitive information. So it's giving me a warning here and saying, hey, back this up and then delete this one file that has that information in there. And it's waiting for me to confirm that I've done this. Say, okay, done. All right, this is excellent. So Claude is now done. And after we answered all Claude's questions, it only took about 3 minutes to get that all set up, which is amazing, especially because this is a proper setup with config files, systemd service, etc. So with this skill, you can set up whatever kind of Lightning node you need to test and run your application. And with this skill, you'll get a consistent and professional node setup.